Hello and welcome to Pharmapodia, a place where you can listen to what's happening today in the pharma industry. Let's start with drugs on the move. The phase 1 trial of AGS-16M8F, an antibody drug conjugate developed by Agenus to treat metastatic renal cancer, has been initiated to study the safety and tolerability in renal cancer patients. An animal study using metformin, a commonly prescribed diabetes medication, in mice with lung cancer showed reductions in the number of tumors as well as tumor size. The result of a phase 2b trial using fenretinide or RT101, a revision in patients with geographic atrophy, showed a more than 50% reduction in incidence of choroidal neovascularization. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine showed Meridia or sibutramine, often used to treat overweight or obese patients, increased heart attack and strokes. Moving on to the deal makers, the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease has awarded Emergent BioSolutions a $28.7 million contract to develop the phase 2 clinical trial of its third-generation anthrax candidate. Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority has awarded Celarent Therapeutics a $153 million contract to develop CLT-008 for the treatment of acute radiation syndrome. Walgreens has signed a definitive agreement to acquire 18-APRIL-RX Pharmacy in Colorado, Oklahoma, Minnesota, Missouri, and Illinois from Graymark Healthcare. Diosynth RTP will commercially manufacture Amnic REPA, an investigational vaccine of Nabi Pharmaceutical, under the long-term manufacturing agreement. From the regulatory desk, the marketing approval has been granted to the use of intravenous Prenavest or Vernaculant for the treatment of rapid conversion of recent onset atrial fibrillation to sinus rhythm in adults in the European Union, Iceland, and Norway. The European Commission has given its approval to Chemedis Pharma to market its Pegfent for the treatment of breakthrough cancer pain. And lastly, financial news. Martech reported a net income of $11.9 million in its third quarter 2010, an increase from $8.9 million compared to the same quarter of last year. Thank you so much for listening, and don't forget to come back next time for more update. Until then, goodbye.